The cinematic classic The Sound of Music is marking its 50th anniversary. As Julie Andrews reflects on the film, she says she's just grateful to have been cast in the first place.
I'm the fortunate one that was asked to be in the movie, and I've always been very, very grateful for that.
As part of the 50-year celebration, there's a new 5-disc Blu-ray set available with over 13 hours of bonus content, including a documentary of Andrews revisiting set locations. She told us about the experience.
The beautiful cathedral where the wedding was shot, and that is exactly the same as it was, and just as beautiful and just as I remembered it. And to go back there was quite lovely.
These are a few of my favorite things.
She says the film's family-friendly G rating has helped its longevity.
There's always a new generation coming along, and I think parents or grandparents make sure that their kids get to see it because it gave them pleasure, and it's something they can share with them.
Andrews is also impressed with new renditions, the movie's music, like Lady Gaga's memorable Oscars performance.
I'd never met her. We literally brushed past each other 45 seconds before she walked on stage. I knew she was going to do the medley, and she had phoned me a week or so earlier and asked if I would in any way object to her doing it. And I said, of course not. Have a good time. Do it. Love it. And she did say that she'd been working on it for a very long time and that it was one of the biggest things she'd ever tried to do. And I thought she just knocked it out of the ballpark. She was so good.
And these last days, it's also about looking forward. So Andrews shared what projects she has coming up next.
I'm writing a lot of books with my daughter. We have more to do. We've got one coming out later this year and yet another the following year. But I'm also directing a little bit. The amazing thing is that some of my books are now being developed. One has suddenly become this enchanting musical, which I'm really thrilled about.
I am 16, going on 17.
In New York, Laura Ingle, Fox News.